So yes, here I have avocado, banana, and Greek yogurt. You can use milk, you can use water, but this Greek yogurt, I just wanted to incorporate a lot more nutrients. So it's very nutritious and my baby takes it very well. So that is why I'm adding it today. And I'm not going to use water. It blends very well. And I don't want to use water because I want the consistency to turn out a little thicker so that I would use spoon. She's not going to drink it. I want to scoop it and give it to her. So yeah, for the avocado, here's a little trick. If your avocado is green and not ripe and you want it to ripen real quick, which is what I did, you can put it together with apple or banana. So I put mine together with apple in a sachet or a paper bag, and put it somewhere in the counter, my kitchen counter. So by the next morning I came, it was already ripe, and yeah, because I needed to use it this morning to make her breakfast. I usually start at my baby's mornings, most mornings, yeah, with smoothies. So if you want me to share some other recipes, you can put that in the comment section so that I will know, and I'll be glad to. So I put in the Greek yogurt. I'm gonna blend all of this together. You know, you put as much as you want. So I wanted it. I just know the consistency I want, so I know the quantity of Greek yogurt I was going to put in. And then you blend. So yes, this blender, I actually bought it from Amazon. It's very convenient. It has about 4 cups, and each cup comes with a cover, so you could just blend your thing and cover it up. Take out the blade section and cover it up, and then you're on the go. You see, so it's very convenient. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So if you're interested, you could just click on the link and it takes you to the product. So yes, it's done, and this is the consistency I want. So I'm able to use my spoon to feed her. She's not going to drink it, so I just wanted to feed her with it. And if you're feeling a little adventurous like me, you could add honey. This part is not necessary, but I just wanted to sweeten it a little bit. That's why I added this is half teaspoon of honey, and you mix it together. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.